Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how potassium dichromate, that is acidified potassium dichromate, reacts with H2O2. Now we know that acidified potassium dichromate is a strong oxidizing agent. It will oxidize that H2O2 to that oxygen. See, in two large test tubes, I took that potassium dichromate solution. We know that dichromate solution color, that orange color, K2Cr2O7, that orange color. First, see, we are adding that dilute sulfuric acid because under acidified condition only that reaction take place. So first we add dilute sulfuric acid to make that medium acidic. Next I will add that H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. See, oxygen come out. See that bubble formation? Oxygen coming out. See reaction going on. Now see the change. Orange turn into green. That potassium dichromate turn into green, that chromate.
Thank you for watching. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment on the videos. Please subscribe my channel to get more chemistry related video.